Going to be cruising on Lake Superior today.
Hiawatha, you're all clear.
Land temperature is 59 degrees and be a lot cooler on the water, so you'll have to have a jacket. Waiting to board.
And at this time, we're going to be loading the tour boat Holiday. And this is with the Selmer Senior Center and KM Tours and all individual passengers.
Should be a fun
Once again, this is for the tour boat Holiday with KM Tours, Selmer Senior Center, and all individual passengers.
Be on the Holiday.
When you're stuck, ask him what he's got. Okay. Oh yeah, must be. You gotta tell us about that. Tell us about that thing. What is that?
It's a thing that makes older women ask older men questions.
Oh, I wonder what that you wanted to do. Yeah.
Smile, girl, video game. We'll put you on America's Most Wanted. Most Wanted. I'm on the Most Unwanted.
Oh, well, there you go.
You don't believe me? Ask this guy over here.
So that's...
Of course, he lies everything he says.
He won't even let me see what I'm looking at. Waiting. That's okay.
Been done. That's going to be completed back in 2022. Now, phase 2 of the contract is almost finished. It was awarded to a joint venture between Kikosing from Westerfield, Ohio, and Alberici from Southfield, Michigan. And what they were doing is securing the upper approach walls. The walls that you see off to the right, the concrete with the wood railing on there, ships will ride up along there. So phase 2 was to support and reinforce approach wall on the upper end on the other side of the locks, and that should be completed in the next month or two. And the final phase, the third phase of the construction of the new lock chamber, is going to include rehabilitating the downstream approach walls. That's those walls that on the other side of that pier. And it's a 1.1 billion.
We're presently going through the lot. We're going through the lot.
Very cool. It looks completely different.
Riding on the boat through the lot. Riding through the lot. The Sioux lot. On the American-Canadian border. Lake Superior. Beautiful day. Got a flash on my phone. Welcome to Canada.
So as we leave the lots here, you'll notice some long gray structures on the wall to the right.
Hey, Bunny Rabbit.
Those are the emergency dams here for the American lots. If the gates of the lots are ever to fail, and there'd be a 21-foot wall of water going continuously through the lots, like we're able to go over those emergency dam sections into the lot of the lot wall to shut off the water. Now, if any of you care for any refreshments from our snack bar, the snack bar is now open for about 20 minutes. Now, it's in the bow or the very front portion on the lower deck. This is going to be the only time that the snack bar will be open on our tour today. And the snack bar serves hot coffee, hot tea, hot chocolate, a variety of chips, candy bars, chocolate chip cookies, ice cold Pepsi products, and bottled water. So again, that's going to be on the lower deck and at the very front. And it'll be open for about 20 minutes.
No Geritol Metamucil.
As we come around the edges here, our captain's going to just head over a little bit. So if you look to the right as we turn here, I'm just going to show you the number 2 lock, the pole. Again, that's the largest lock that's in the system here. And it's the only lock that about the 13 1,000-foot lake freighters that operate on the upper Great Lakes can fit into. No other locks in the St. Lawrence Seaway system can they fit into.